Hey guys, in this video I'm going to discuss how to write a great description for Airbnb. So first, you want to go ahead and catch the guest's attention. Like, look at this. Stay with Tom, hosting for 8 years. So you are building comfort right there. Or look at this. Cozy front range home. Look, this is the first things they can see. Like basically the first 5 or so words. So look at this. This is what I did. Modern and cozy 2 bedroom, 2 bath. So once they see this, they'll click on it and then they'll read, okay, it's in the heart of Denver. Okay. It's a stylish home, features an open concept living area, a fully equipped kitchen, private backyard. You want to go ahead and enter the amenities, as many characters as you can, because you want to fit in keywords here that people are probably searching for. Okay. That is what you need to include in your description so that you could actually go ahead and rank in this search. All right. And that is what you need to do. You want to make sure you take advantage of all the 500 characters you have available. Just go ahead and click on save, and you have done your best foot forward.